Have you ever kept losing money on a failing business or stock just because you already spent so much time trying to make it work? Today, we are diving deep into the psychological trap that keeps billions of dollars in bad investments alive. The sunk cost fallacy describes our powerful tendency to follow through on an endeavor simply because we have already invested time, effort, or money into it, regardless of whether the current costs outweigh the benefits. This irrational behavior happens because we want to justify our past actions. We fear wasting those previous investments and feel emotionally attached, which makes making a rational decision to quit incredibly difficult. In economics, a sunk cost is defined strictly as any cost that cannot be recovered. This includes time spent, money paid, or effort already given, meaning those resources are gone forever, no matter what you decide to do next. A terrifying example of this is the Concorde jet project. Governments continued funding it for 27 years after it proved unprofitable, burning through $2.8 billion simply because they had already invested so much. Let's apply this to your life. You might keep holding on to a losing stock or finishing a bad course because quitting feels like admitting defeat, yet continuing just burns more of your valuable resources for no return. The sunk cost fallacy is deceptively simple. We continue investing in losing propositions simply because we've already invested so much. It quietly shapes some of the most important financial and personal decisions of our lives. So there you have it. The sunk cost fallacy is a cognitive bias affecting decision-making in business and life. Are you currently stuck in a project you should abandon? Let me know in the comments.